一个人，风也过，雨也走，有过泪，有过错，还记得坚持什么？真爱过才会懂，为寂寞挥挥手，总有梦，总有你在心中。朋友一生一起走，那些日子不再有，一句话，一辈子，一生情，一杯酒。朋友不曾孤单过，一生朋友你会觉懂。还有痛，还要做，还有梦。
Ay, nawala. Di kita iiwan, di ka naman isa, kaibigan.
Wow! Galing ni Direk! 朋友一生一起走，那些日子不再有，一句话，一辈子，一生情，一杯酒。朋友不曾孤单过，一生朋友你会懂，还有伤，还有痛，还要走，还有我。
Chitty, 真的太感人了. Sobrang na-touch ako sa episode natin ngayon. And it's really fulfilling when you give and when you share.
Grabe, kakaiba talagang show natin this week. And I'm sure marami sa ating mga Chinoy Barkada na-touch sila. Katulad mo,我肯定很多的观众朋友和我们三个人一样都非常的感动。
是的. Yes, and speaking of Chinoy Speak, guys, if you want to download it, it's already available in our official Facebook fan page.
And follow us on Twitter. It's Chinoy TV, okay? Thank
Yes,
you.
and of course, this special episode wouldn't be that special without these following people. Thank you so much, Dr. Benjamin Santos, to Tita Maxi of Charm General Merchandising, and to Mr. and Mrs. Sampson and Lolit Tiu.
We would also like to thank Mr. and Mrs. Danny and Esther Lee, Mr. Dante and Reynaldo Go of Columbia Candies, Mr. Patrick D. and Leia D. of Fruits in Bloom.
And of course, for our venue for today, we'd like to say thank you to Mr. Stephen Wong of Royal Shark's Fin Seafood Restaurant. And of course, sa mga staff natin, si Miss Queenie, Miss Greenie, and Miss Jocelyn. Thank you very much to all of you. And of course, our favorite chef, Chef Cavino, and Mr. Wilson Tan of IMC Cavino. Thank you very much. And Ateneo Confucius Institute, Miss Diana D. and Mr. Chris. Thank you so much for IMC and Confucius Institute sa inyong tulong for your big help sa ating outreach, Chinoy Gives. Thank you very much. And our personal sponsors.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Starting off with yours.
It's holiday season. We'd like to say thank you to all of you. Starting with Frigo, Converse shoes. Ayun, sa atin Oh, hindi lang personal na. Kasama si Jason. And Fresh Look Color Blends. Gems Optical is located at Masangkay Street, corner Recto. Thank you so much.
I would like to personally thank Bambi L for my hair and makeup today, and Clothes for the Goddess for my goddess look today.
Oy, next time,
Thank
dapat
you.
may ano tayo. God naman.
And of course, Dr. Christina Ngong of Dental Pod. Yeah. Thank you so much. Pero guys, imagine that this is the last Sunday of the year na.
Yep.
Sa kasing iting siya sinta inila.
Yes, and syempre.
So January 1 na.
Yep,
Yes.
2012
Okay, we'll see
na.
you next year na.
Yes, definitely, dahil marami kaming pasabog next year. Syempre, dapat abangan nyo yan because we will welcome the new year with, sabi nga ni Auntie Lorraine for atin ba, 新年新希望，所以我们一定要迎接一个轰轰动动的
Tama. Sige. So, paano? See you guys next.
See you guys
Hindi na
next year.
week. Next week. But
And next
it's
year.
Yes.
Okay, only here on
Chinoy TV 飞华电视台。Bye. Happy New Year.
新年快乐！
朋友不曾孤单过，一生朋友你会懂，还有伤，还有痛，还要走，还有我。I love you, Chinoy TV, And I love everyone.
Happy New Year!
Happy holidays!
Momo XOXO.
Mama.